we'll have vinyl tour soon.
Yes, in the spring.
In our spring tour. We come back here.
Not sure.
Okay. It's the jazz version.
Keep going.
It hits me late at night time when I long to see your faces, places I have never been before, bring feelings I'm now faced with. And if every vision I once saw of you just filled with you, I still can't picture life without you there to live it through. And I know that there's a way to make it work, but show me how, 'cause I feel like we are drifting and I need to slow it down. And I'll try to let it go when the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow, 'cause you're all I've ever known. You're never knew how much this change was gonna stop me in my tracks, how I failed to realize the fact that there's no room for turning back. I hope that you still know that when I wake up every day, I need for this new life we're heading for to be okay. And everything I own, for every key you've helped me turn, how grief plays out in ways and proves you loved if you can feel it burn. And I'll try to let it go with the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow, 'cause you're all I've ever known. You're home, 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 you're home. Know that when you're lost in madness, you'll be home. Nothing that matters. Know that when we're lost in madness, you're only home. Nothing that matters. Know that when we're lost in madness, you're the only thing that matters. And I'll try to let it go with the sadness it holds, when the tears overflow, 'cause you're all I